Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 11. This module we're talking about ER and IR verbs. So last modules we were talking about the AR verbs. Now we have the other sets of verbs, the ER and IR verbs. And we're also going to talk about information questions. So last unit we had the yes/no questions. Now we have the information questions. So make sure you go over the readings and the videos about that. Again, we have information about the final project. There's also a video explaining a little bit about the final project. Again, I don't want you working on the final project yet because we still have the topic of formal commands in units 12 and 13 that you need to have. But I just want you to start thinking about it and having ideas about it again, so we don't get to the end and you are like, what is this project? Okay, so we have the homework packet. Again, we're 2 homework packets behind because we didn't have homework packets during the field-specific project. So it's homework packet 9, even though it's module 11. We have the module 11 speaking assignment. For the speaking assignment, it's 2 parts. You need to answer the questions and ask the questions. So make sure you get both parts in there. And then the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.